Take a ride in the 2020 Silverado 1500. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.7-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: 4-wheel drive, remote keyless entry. Inside you'll find cruise control, power outlet, floor mats. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.